there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Maps on your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. Let's get started. As a first step, click on this digital crown to open the app list and then scroll down until you'll find this app, Google Maps. Here is it. Click on it, and this screen is the first thing that you will see here. Let's talk about these three buttons that you can see here. The first one is voice typing, which translates your speech into a text. So you can basically just say the address and the watches will find them for you. Let's test it. New York, Times Square. Click confirm and then click search. And in few whiles we can see this address and also how long it will take to get there with the different types of transport. And also if we will scroll down, we can take a look on the map and also zoom it in or zoom it out with the help of this rotating digital crown. So let's go back. The second option that we got here is a keyboard with the help of which you can type in the address that you need. Now let's go back, and the last button that we have in this main menu is the maps, in which you can see your current location and also zoom it in or zoom it out. And also here you'll be able to find your recent search history. So for example, let's take a look on this restaurant, in which you can see the name, which type of restaurant is it, the reviews, the open and closing time, and how long it will take with the different types of transport. And also by scrolling down we can see the exact address, the map, and something about the reviews. And that's it! Now you know how to use the Google Maps on your watch. Thank you so much for watching.